Hello students, this is your second video, classification on the basis of ownership. Basis of ownership, the resources are three types: personal resources, national resources and world resources. Personal resources like property, health, etc., which are the personal things. National resources, wealth of nation, military power, patriotism, etc. World resources, physical and biological elements of the world for the welfare of mankind. Classification on the basis of availability, which means classification of the sources which are available in the quantity. Renewable resources, those resources which regenerate themselves naturally, provided that they are not subjected to wholesome destruction, that is agricultural land remains useful by using manner. Some of them are renewable only so long as they are used prudently within the limits set by nature. Non-renewable resources, those resources when once used they are finished forever, that is petrol, coal, etc. Recyclable resources, those minerals which can be reprocessed and used again and again, that is mineral like iron, copper, etc. Inhospitable resources, those resources which are not in hostage even if they are used, that is solar energy, water, etc. Classification on the basis of distribution, that means easily available resources, ubiquitous resources, resources which are available everywhere, that is oxygen in the air. Common available resources, that is commonalities resources, resources which are available at many places, that is soil, tillable land. Rarely available resources, rarities, resources which are available in few places, that is coal, gold, uranium, etc. Single resources, that is uniquities, resources which are available at one or two places in the world, that is commercial, cycloid metal which is found only in Greenland in the natural form. Classification on the basis of uses. Unused resources, when resources are not in use they are called unused resources, that is deposit of certain minerals is known but they cannot be extracted and used. Unusable resources, resources which cannot be used further even with the present day technique, are unsuitable resources. Potential resources, there are resources which are known but are not in use due to lack of technology or planning. Possibility they may be used in near future are known as potential resources, that is running water of rivers may be used for irrigation by constructing a canal. Similarly, dams may be constructed to produce electricity. Latent resources, there are many resources which have been unknown to men. If the properties and the utility of a resource is not known, it is called latent resources. Petroleum was a latent resource until its properties and uses were not known to men. In this chapter, we will study soil, water, forest, and wildlife as resources.